All right, what's going on YouTube? I know it's been a while since I've actually given you guys a tutorial, but I'm gonna do a quick one for you guys today. I'm gonna actually show you how to change your background color in just about 30 seconds or less. So I get a lot of DMs, a lot of messages. People ask me, yo, how do you do your backgrounds? How do you get that color? This, that, and the third. True story, I actually shoot on those background colors, but I did end up switching studios lately and they don't really have too many colors. So I'm gonna show you guys how to switch the background color on white. So literally this is all you're gonna do. You're gonna come over here to your quick selection tool. And then you're just gonna hit select subject. You're gonna let you're gonna let Photoshop kind of do its thing. I don't know the proper phrase or the term as to why it even does it so quickly, but literally you're just gonna hit the button. As you can see, it makes this quick selection. After that, what you're gonna do over here is you're gonna come down here to your adjustments and then you're gonna hit solid color. At this point, you're just picking whatever color background you would like. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with pink. You're gonna hit OK. Now I know what you're seeing is pretty much it made her pink, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna invert that layer. You're gonna click on the actual cutout, and then you're gonna invert it. Bam, just like that. There's your background color, but I know it doesn't look too realistic, so you're gonna come down to your blend modes now, and you're gonna hit multiply. Just like that. So it added the shadows back. I know you see it's still a little bit of white in between the layers and everything. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna go to your brush tool, and you're literally just gonna paint over the white area. Literally is just that quick. And that's pretty much it. You can clean it up to, whatever it is, however you feel like, whatever's comfortable for you, this, that, and third. It did have a couple misses right here, but you can go back and fix it. So I'm just gonna come in here, tighten it up a little bit more, get rid of all that white space. That way everything looks kind of normal and it blends in. Now we're gonna zoom out. Now it's not perfect, but this should get you started. If you did want to change the background color, literally you're just gonna flick it to whatever color that you like. That yellow is not bad. I'm gonna rock the yellow. Now it looks a little bit more natural as well. And it does bring back some of the details in the areas in which it has, kind of cut out. And literally that is it. That is how you change your background color in less than 30 seconds in Photoshop.